animal has sharp claws for tearing in the meat, and it's mostly white, has a pointed snout, and a long bushy tail. If you're wondering what this odd animal is, it's an Arctic fox. And some interesting facts about the Arctic fox are, when fox pups are born, they are unable to see or walk, and there are other types of foxes that are endangered. Now I'm going to talk about the Arctic fox's food chain. Here's an example. First, the sun, air, and water help plants grow for the Arctic fox to eat, and then the Arctic fox eats the Arctic hare. Then the fox dies and becomes nutrients for decomposers. And another thing similar to a food chain is the web, which is a bunch of linked food chains. And the hare eats. What the hare eats is a producer, which is just a fancy word for plants. And the Arctic hare is a herbivore, which means it eats plants. And the Arctic fox is a carnivore, which is a meat eater. And humans are omnivores, which eats both meat and plants. And the fox was the predator, while the hare was the prey. And the Arctic fox's habitat, which is its home, is the frozen tundra. And it's so cold there that the foxes have thick fur coats and bushy tails to keep warm, which is how they adapt to their habitat. Also, they can use mimicry to hide in the white snow. Seaweed is interdependent with the Arctic fox because diet food for Arctic fox, and when the fox dies, it helps the seaweed grow. And the Arctic fox's niche are predators that eat small mammals. And some facts are, the scientific name for Arctic fox is a Vulpes lagopus. A color is white in the winter, but it tends to turn brown in the summer. And a weight for a male and a female is 21 pounds, mostly. And the importance is it hunts rabbits and is food for polar bears. And the appearance is it has long whiskers, big ears, thick fur, long bushy tail, long snout, sharp claws, and narrow eyes.